Okay, so if you're watching this video, then congratulations, you're on the last stage of the LinkedIn outreach method. So just to recap, this is a way of generating leads and finding your potential clients and getting sales meetings with your potential clients by using LinkedIn organic outreach methods where you don't have to spend any money on paid advertising to generate leads and also generate sales. So far, we've talked about how we can connect to people, how we can start a conversation with them, how we can continue that conversation. And now we're on this final stage here, which is the close. And this is about getting them to book a meeting with you. So after continuing the conversation with your prospects, you want to lead them to a point where they ask you to schedule, where you or they ask to schedule a call with you to learn more about how you can help their business. So you want to be genuinely interested in helping their business. So not too pushy or not too salesy, but just genuinely be helpful. And if you can also provide any real life case studies or testimonials, or don't go on on a big essay or anything like this. But if you can say, hey, we also worked with so and so business which is similar to yours, and we helped them get blah blah blah, whatever the result was, then great. This is optional. You don't have to do that. But if you can just quickly mention like a short sentence about how you've helped someone else who has a similar business to them, that will help build up more trust with them as well. And then you tell them what you actually do. So one of the ways you can do that is you can use this template here, which is we help your niche. So if you're targeting retail businesses, we help retail businesses to whatever it is that you do. So it could be to save money on taxes or whatever, or use cloud accounting, whatever it is that you do to help them. And also what you do to help them should also be related to what it is that they've said that they need help with. That will just help you get better results as well. And then you say how you do that with what it is that you do. So if you follow this template when speaking to people, you already know the niche because that's who you're speaking to. You already know what it is that they're looking to do, so the results that you'll get them. So you already know that because they would have told you in the pre-qualifying stage. And then what you do is what you actually do to get those results. And if you say this sentence, then you can get them to schedule a call with you because they will be interested in learning more about how you can actually help them. Okay. And what you can also do to schedule calls is you can use something called Calendly. So I use Calendly myself so that people can book in free consultations and maybe 15-minute or 30-minute meetings with me. And it's all really easy to set up and use, and it also integrates with your own calendar. So whether that's a Google Calendar or Outlook calendar, it integrates with I think any calendars out there. So it already knows when you're busy and when you're free. And people can just go in and schedule a call with you straight into your calendar. So that's optional as well, but I do recommend using something like this to save you some time. And then go ahead and actually ask them to schedule a call with you, because you actually want to find out how you can help them even more. And that's where we reach the close stage. And if you've done everything else right, and if you've reached to the stage where you know you can help them and they're pre-qualified, there should be really no reason why they wouldn't want to have that call with you. And obviously, sometimes it is a bit of a numbers game. Not everyone that you speak to and ask to schedule a call with you is going to do it for whatever reason. But, at least half of the people you speak to, which is 50%, or maybe even more, they're going to actually schedule that call in with you. And that's pretty much all you need to do. And if you repeat this process again and again, and you keep doing this, you can actually get a good steady supply of new leads, new prospects, and new clients coming in to your accountancy firm. And because what you sell is accountancy related services, just keep in mind that these things do take time. So someone might be interested in what you do, but it just might not be the right time for them right there and then. So be patient with people. And if it's not the right time now, don't worry. That doesn't mean that it's not the right time in the future. Now that you're connected to them on social media, and even if you've sent them some of your content in the past, such as like a free guide or something like that, you can also continue to follow up with them through email, and you can also follow up with them through your social media updates, and you can keep staying at the top of their mind so that when there is a need for what you do, you're going to be the first one they think of. So either way, even if they say yes now, then great. And if they say no now, then that's still okay, because we can still get them as a client later on down the line. So remember, we're not just doing this for the short term, it's also a long-term strategy as well.